salad with cheese and walnuts, a heavenly combination that's not only delicious but also super quick to make. I'll show you how to prepare this salad easily and customize it to your taste. Start by placing fresh lamb's lettuce on a plate. This crisp and vibrant base sets the stage for our salad. Slice some Fontina cheese, a creamy delicacy from northern Italy. If you can't find it, Emmental is a great substitute. Both cheeses add a mild and balanced flavor that pairs beautifully with the crunchy lettuce. Fontina also brings a creamy texture that blends perfectly with the other ingredients in this salad. Evenly distribute the sliced Fontina across the salad for a balanced and delicious bite in every forkful. Now add some Gorgonzola cheese. Alternatively, you can use taleggio or opt for a more intense flavor like Roquefort, a French blue cheese. Each choice brings its own unique character to this salad. Spread the Gorgonzola evenly over the salad, ensuring its rich and bold flavor enhances every bite. This creamy touch perfectly complements the fresh crunch of the lamb's lettuce. Slice a fresh pear into thin, delicate slices. If you're enjoying this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. This salad with cheese and walnuts has its roots in European cuisine, especially in France, Switzerland and Italy. Arrange the sliced pear pieces across the salad, adding sweetness to every layer. Now we need the delicious walnuts. Add as many as you like for extra crunch and flavor. Generously scatter the walnuts over the salad. They add a delightful crunch and perfectly complement the cheese's creaminess while offering healthy fats in a rich nutty flavor. Finish it off with a pinch of salt. This ties all the flavors together and highlights the rich taste of this cheese and walnuts. Drizzle some high quality olive oil over everything. Here's another healthy recipe for you: broccoli with garlic and olive oil.